Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the maximum upload size limit in your PHP in your cPanel. This is the latest way how you can upload it or change the upload limit of your PHP file upload size in your cPanel. So first of all you need to log into your cPanel. After that you need to go to this option, MultiPHP inline editor. This option you can change your theme from here. I'm using this paper lantern theme. You can also choose other theme and just find this option, MultiPHP inline editor. So once you click on this you will come to this page, and from here you need to select your domain. From here I'm just selecting my domain, this domain. Now from here you can see some details here, and you can see that the post maximum file size limit is 8 megabytes. You can also change this upload maximum file size limit. You can also change this. So here you can see I have 22 megabytes upload size. I'll just make it 200 megabytes maximum upload size. And if you want to change some other, like this set maximum data allowed and every other things upload size, you can also change it from here. So I'm just changing it to 80 megabytes, and now I just click on apply. So that's it. Now it has successfully changed the upload maximum upload size of a file inside your cPanel in your PHP. I hope this video helped, and if you learned something new, please hit the like button and also let me know in the comment section if you have any tips or any question about this tutorial. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.